Another big development that's expected today is that the Bombay High Court will be hearing actor Kangana Ranaut's plea against the BMC's demolition drive. That hearing is at 11 a.m. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut, who has now been made a party in the case, is also likely to file an affidavit on the issue against the actor's plea. Kangana's lawyers argued that the demolition of her Bandra office was carried out by the BMC and it was malicious as Kangana was attacked for speaking out against the Shiv Sena government. He further denied all allegations of an illegal construction as alleged by the BMC. Kangana's counsel clarified that only waterproofing work was being carried out and the pictures of which have also been shared with the court. Kangana, in her plea, has sought 2 crore rupees as compensation against the damage caused by the BMC's demolition, which the actor claims was illegal and completely politically motivated.
So it's going to be an important day at the Bombay High Court. Kangana Ranaut's lawyers maintain that the act of BMC was mollified, arbitrary, and it flouted all the provisions of the law. Basically, what Kangana Ranaut has asserted is that there was absolutely no ongoing work at her office, that is at Pali Hill in Bandra, and the BMC does not have any case against her. After that, the Bombay High Court obviously raised many queries, and today it will seek answers on those very queries. At the same time, it will be hearing further arguments from Kangana's side. And of course, Sanjay Raut will have to give the representation. On last Friday, when the Bombay High Court was hearing the matter, it had clearly said, since Sanjay Raut has also been made a party to this entire story, he also needs to file his reply. To that, Sanjay Raut's counsel had said that he, being a member of parliament, Rajya Sabha member of parliament, he is in Delhi and that he needs some time. So that aspect would also be taken care of today. But the most important question that the Bombay High Court has put in front of the BMC is that what was the hurry in front of the BMC when the monsoons were at its peak? It has also asked, why did the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation invoke the Mumbai Municipal Corporation Act under 354A, which has the provision of issuing notices to stop work, and not issue a notice under the section 351, which gives enough time to answer the notice as well. So these are some of the important issues that will be heard today. The answers and the arguments from both the sides will be heard today. But as far as Kangana Ranaut and her lawyers are concerned, they really maintain that there was no ongoing work at her premises, in office premises at Pali Hill, and that they have proof with pictures as well that what the BMC is saying is not true. So it remains to be seen as to what the happenings of today are really going to be. But Kangana Ranaut has really asserted that she has been targeted here only because she spoke against the state government and that the act of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation is absolutely illegal.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.